My name is Music Phil. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at Willie's That Truth, and this is Yardstyle Live presents. Yardstyle Live presents is brought to you by Willie's That Truth, Oasis in the City.
Oasis in the City. You're my strong tower. In you I will hide. Help me now. You make me stronger.
Willie's That Truth.
Oh, come on. Say, you make me stronger.
Willie's That Truth, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's performance is Trapycal. He's a very energetic performer. He's a dancehall storyteller. Right now, Trapycal.
Easy me.
Yardstyle Live, ready?
Yeah. Yeah. We have to start it them way, you know what I mean, Phil? Cause some people don't really know. So you can't trust people in this time. You get what me I say?
Real way.
Yardstyle Live. Me there live.
You know from where?
Yeah. Trapycal represent. Put some more volume on the rhythm. No, show again. Show money, them kill them best friend. I mean, have no best friend. The real warriors, ma bless them. No love, no show again.
Yeah.
Show money, them kill them best friend. I mean, have no best friend. The real warriors, ma bless them. Yeah, oh God. Me no know who for put me trust in her. Sometimes you can't trust your own mother. It wicked when your wife turn backstabber. Who for call pan, I must judge her. Even who you call your brother when you're dead. Yeah, them a pray for your death. Why them want stop my bread? Hard me work, me no beg, no love, no show again. Show money, them kill them best friend. Feel no have no best friend.
You know.
The real warriors, him bless them. Oh God, no love, no show again. Show money, them kill them best friend. I mean, have no best friend. The real warriors, my breast them. Oh God,
Sing out.
Phil. Hey yo, the place I run red. It really get to me head, yeah. I show me skill, make me no dead. The line between love and hate, thin like a shed, yo. Them not have no mercy, yeah. Them mad bitter like Cersei. Them not fi do them nothing for them hurt, yeah. I just said the world gonna love, not show again. True money, them kill them best friend. I mean, I have no best friend, yeah. I fix them up, bless them. Oh God, no love, no show again.
Pull up that, pull up. Wheel. That come like...
Any other track, you know?
Anybody say rewind, have to play the fine. I need to drink. Anybody say rewind, have to
Put
top.
some tempo on it, yeah? Just little, not too much.
Ready again. I don't know. At the Holy Thursday, tomorrow,
Yeah.
Kite Fest. Ready.
I bless, we are blessed them. I Holy Thursday, is it? Yeah, man. Volume on the rhythm, man. You saw my voice, Lord. Protect me out here. I pray all day keep the devil away, you know what I mean? Man, I fight the fight. Oh, God. Hey, Music Phil. Hey, reggae show. Hey, Spoogy, big up yourself. Hey, Biggs. Oh, God. No evil can step to me. No. God, the most I walk with me. Yeah. All the job them a said for me. Just now work. Just now work. Every time them want me feel, just give me the strength, me must prevail. And them me nah go heal. Them same one get Christ the nail, yeah. Me them can't bottom roots. Still I fight the struggle can't lose. Firm in a me meds and me them can't use. Never sell out for one pair of shoes, no. No evil can step to me. God the Messiah walk with me. All the job them a said for me. Just not work. Just can't work. Man a lion in the jungle. Can't too weak to humble. You are so well firm, can't stumble. Can't step to me, you will crumble. Singing from my heart and my soul. Why mankind so cool? Why mankind so cool? Why mankind so cool? Your prayer day keep the devil away, you know what I mean? Any other chat?
Well, little known facts about Trapycal. He's from St. Thomas, a St. Thomas native. He come from one part of St. Thomas named Albion. With his hit song, If Me Did Know.
We say an anthem.
Yeah, an anthem.
I national anthem. I national anthem this, you know.
Ready,
See?
Spoogy, drop it.
Yeah, man, drop it. Oh God, oh God, oh God. I give thanks to me is alive, yeah. I me is alive. I give thanks to me is alive, yeah. Hey, Yardstyle live. Hey, we're great, you know. Hey, Spoogy. Hey, Spoogy. SK. If you did know, you would have cut them off long time. Can't just not the way you're mankind. You take.
Pull up.
Yo! Them say I anthem, you know, is it?
That's why I forgot
the man crown me with the flag star. I mean, I think a bounty name Mr. Jamaica. I mean, Mr. Jamaica.
Well,
Yeah.
but hear me I say.
Yeah, my boss.
And everybody can get their crown in here. Second, somebody get it. We do to Tierra.
Yeah.
And now it's Trapycal.
All right. So.
Some girls will get crown, you know,
Anna.
but them already, them have a forward first and make the influence and thing, you know. Can't just go so and put flag on them.
Respect for the crown, you know.
It's a Jamaican flag.
Jamaican flag.
And it's not.
Yeah. See it there?
All right, but they might call them name. Now give them no
Drop it
promotion.
again.
Ready? You want to see that song, yeah? A Yardstyle have anti-Bobby Pandom. And the artist there.
Yeah, man.
Trapycal, sing for them.
I give thanks to me is alive, yeah. I me is alive. A Trapycal I represent. Hey, music feel. If me did know, woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still them now why you see the sunshine. Music feel. Cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still them now why you see the sunshine. And what you do them make them want kill you off. Just through jealousy them want stop the beat of your heart. Through your God fearing make you not rat. Love you and that's nobody think you're soft. Can't fight fire with fire. Cause no far away no there.
No,
Big Byrd fight evil with prayer. And it's I big song this, you know.
Hold on, ready again.
Yeah, what them song I take plain in the youth, so me have to give thanks for them song, you know. Yeah, man. We know plain feel just because of them song. You get me? I say. We have to respect them song.
And you see them plain feel. So you know a plain feel.
You understand? Hey, Big Byrd, hey, Spoogy, SK, hey, music feel. If me did know, woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still them the why you see the sunshine. If me did know, woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still them the why you see the sunshine. And when me do them make them want kill me off. Just through jealousy, them won't stop the beat of my heart. True, my God fearing make me no rat. Love me and endorse, nobody think me soft. Can't find fire with fire, cause no fire we who know there. Music feel fine even with prayer. Jah with the blood if you for cover. Hey Big Byrd, if you didn't know, you da cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still them the why you see the sunshine. Hey SK, cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Yeah, my favorite verse, yeah. Me say you can't trust people. Them will hurt you without a reason. Why mankind so evil? Hey yo, me never stop praying. We eat out of the same plate today, and tomorrow you want take my life away. Tell me what kind of friend them there. If I no guardian life, me not join your company. If me did know, me woulda cut them off long time. Can't just not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still them now why you see the sunshine. If me did know, me woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. More than one time, yeah. And guess what? Me keep my circle small. Enemies are trying to hurt my heart. Yeah. Me know me not go far. The most I guide me overall. Hey, music feels sad. Time change, that's why me keep myself to myself. Nowadays not safe. Hey Big Byrd, it not safe. Hey, guess what? Hey, me no mix, me no mingle, me no parrot bag of crowd, me chatting single. Yeah. Big up the real youth up on the battlefield, me know for one it out. Hey, guess what? Music feel. Friendship me no buy, friendship me no keep. No, me no keep. Them my friend I nowadays, them we sell you out cheap. Hey, guess what? If me did know, me woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way you're mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time, yeah. More than one time, yeah.
Trapycal is an artist to watch, and he's an artist on the rise.
Truth, you know, feel.
You wanna want to me? I'm tired for you live them life, yeah. Every day is another woman. I can't do it no more.
A girl me nah go cheat on you. And that I know a real man do. A girl you make my grey skies blow. Every day you just me, abundant cheese time. A girl me nah go cheat on you.
Pull up. Wait. Again.
I Easter.
What a song?
No bon natural, it near honest.
Alright, ready. Honest?
Yeah man, honest.
Alright. Yeah.
Them say abundant cheese time and I Easter and be a bon again and sing there. Is it?
May I tell you?
Drop it again.
Again, Trapycal.
Drop it again. She a complain all the time, you know?
Yeah.
You wanna want to me? I'm tired for you.
When we go on a road, she a complain. But me tell her one thing.
You know what that thing is?
Girl, me nah go cheat on you. Hey, that I know a real man do. Hey, girl, you make my grey skies blow. Every day you just me and you. Hey, girl, me nah go cheat on you. Hey, that I know a real man do. Hey, girl, you make my grey skies blow. Every day you just me and you. I put in on my place and make you comfortable. I know munga but you make me honorable. Me love you when you cuss all when you're miserable. We stick together like a freak at Tony Rebel. God, me heart never skip a beat. All when you take a walk in the street, we keep it real from the day we meet. Me nah go break your heart, love solid like concrete. True love, girl, you stand feet. Hey girl, me nah go cheat by you. Hey, that I know a real man do. Hey girl, you make my grey skies blow. Every day you just me and you. Hey girl, me nah go cheat by you. Hey, that I know a real man do. Hey girl, you make my grey skies blow. Every day you just me and you. Hey girl, it's been a while. My blood a boil. A full time you fi bring me little child. Nobody cry. Me make you smile. A girl, me love you more than outing set love style. Come make we circle down, me nah let you down. Enough girl I run, come me nah get your bun. Just like me saving, just like me income. Top class take you out of the slum. Me nah go cheat by you.
Pull up. Hey, Trapycal, ready
You
again.
great. I fi push out there. Hey, music feel. Hey, Yardstyle live. Whoa. Hey, from the day my born, me know semi great. Stick to the plan, me never lose faith. Me no believe in a time waste. I figure judge a thanks every time you wear ache. From the day my born, me know semi great. Stick to the plan, me never lose faith. Me no believe in a time waste. I figure judge a thanks. Hey, guess what? Like Marcus man potent, Martin Luther speech keep my eyes them open. Still I fly, all when my wings them broken. On the battlefield me have to score my goal them. Life special, I true me skill make me there. But leap a fasting and prayer. But mine no want him up and flyer. Them can't stop me from making cheddar. Hey, from the day my born me know I'm great. Stick to the plan me never. Next shot.
Yeah, Marada, them say you're greater than them say. Trapycal, late.
You understand?
All right, ready again, Trapycal.
Anything. Yo, we are get up product, you know. Yeah. And we have to overcome a struggle.
What is name?
Hey, Biggs. A true man, skill man, they are same way. One leap of time that pass my way. But true, music feel a prayer. Hey Spoogy, big up yourself. Out of the slum we have to make it out. Only for hungry days me feel food me go without. The place I run away me glad me never get pushed out. And jam me praise me never left him out. No front left them place and can't go back. No innocent get murdered by the cop. Great and 7 now me can't forget. Yo the place I run jet when it a go stop. Yeah. Why? Hey, why you get a youth, them want for shoot? Why get a girl turn prostitute? Why? Can't kill the tree where bear the fruit. And nothing innocent them execute. Yeah, the youths them are the future. So why them want push them out like stroller? You said them hard cold but you're one cool. I want take them 3 points like you a bowler. Them worse than the bowler. Me see it clear just like na the Nola. In this time you have to look over your shoulder. Them open up your head like a folder. Me not stop fight for the youths them. The system, we stop abuse them. I no careful done but them must slew them. Oh, if we have a future we a lose them. Why? Hey, why you get a youth them want for shoot? Why get a Smile. Tell you say a mommy prayer keep me alive. That days them arrive. Hey, guess what? Hey, music feel. Yeah. Amount of fine man get. Chop them said them find me hard fear. Still I get the victory. Yeah. Amount of fine man get. Shed tears not sweat. Them find me hard fears. Get the victory. Yeah. I know some great. My born a winner. Amount of time that this me coulda squeeze the jigger. Just protect me on the street when me a look me dinner. I try escape the dark days when me in a. Amount of time me feel me try again. Most wanted coulda be one of them. Work hard me never link with no banger friend. Them treat me the rest will love me when money I spend. A fine man get. Chop them said them find me hard fear. Still I get the victory. Yeah. Amount of fine man get. Chop them said them find me hard fear. Still I get the victory. Yeah.
People are Trapycal in the house and you don't know what a Yardstyle Live ambassador means. Again, this has been Yardstyle Live presents.
Hey, them we kill you for your cement. That's why me stay humble and hold a sacrament. Friend of me, always a push bad current. And that's why me stay to myself. Hey, them your friend and them not real. Them a kill you for your burger meal. Make your head roll like a car wheel. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, Yardstyle live with there. Live and living colors. Trapycal they are live.
Yeah.
Kill out the vocal because I have Kite Fest tomorrow. You know where you go? Yeah. Big up on yourself.
Your respect for
Trapycal
Pastor, you know, 'cause you
represent.
don't know.
Yeah.
Are the anthem that, you know?
Yeah, man. From when do you anthem, you know, say I finish. Trapycal finish for the evening. Big
No.
up Big Bird, Small Bird.
You don't finish.
Spoogy. Finish.